Alright, hello friends, family, YouTube, and the internet in general. This is David Revis with this will be an episode of Bearded Printing. Figured I'd show you guys what I normally got going on using Thingiverse. Right now, recently I've been making Warhammer terrain, so bases, actual terrain, more bases, bases, more and more bases. There's some objective markers. Have some dragon stuff saved that I haven't printed yet. That's actually my aquarium over here. Just kind of rolled over, but yeah, that's in there. Anyway, sorry about that. I need to print those. Those seem useful. But yeah, just some more terrain, more bases. Some Elite Dangerous stuff I need to print. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing on Thingiverse. But I am going to look for some... What's it called? What were they? They were... is a paint rack that also held your brushes, so let's look for that. Let's see, what should we type in? Paint holder? Let's try that. Alright. So what happens when you look for something on your phone and then try to do it on your computer. So I'm going to search real fast and I'll get back to you guys here in a second. Alright guys, found it. I've got Memoryless Brush Holder for Citadel Paint Rack by Brom Chomsky. We're gonna download it and start printing it. Looks like it comes in parts, so that's good. Means I won't have to use support material. That's not a relevant picture, it seems. It's also 2 photos, blah blah blah. Alright, so we're just gonna download it. Go to Save As. I go to this, and then it's Warhammer, so it goes in here. Doesn't exactly fit anywhere, so I'll just save it randomly. In Warhammer folder at least. I am using the Kodama Trinus, so we're gonna open up Pango. Then try to get the camera somewhere where it's not freaking out too much on you guys. Go over to model and load. Then that's my friggin' SD card. David's 3D printing stuff. And I forgot I need to unzip the file real fast. Alright, now we go to model, load, where I have it in downloads, my 3D printing stuff, Warhammer stuff, in all caps, for extra effect. There it is. Yep. Alright, cool. It fits on the printer. Cool. Just gonna do one layer. 0.1 layer height, 50 a second, 10% infill. Alright, cool. Save code. Go down to my flash drive and save it. I already have my printer plugged in to the computer. Heat the extruder. Unplug that. Go up. And now we get up out of the chair. Probably should have thought ahead. And that's a bowl. Alright. Man, oh man. Wish I still had my old camera. But yeah. Goes in there. Printed that little SD card guide. So yeah, that's in there. Made a nice sturdy print bed that I need to replace. So now you just hit that button, brush holder, Click on that and wait for it to heat up. Right now, it's going to go to 235 degrees Celsius. Alright, we're approaching our printing temperature. So here, in a minute, let's make sure we don't have any things coming out of the nozzle. Eventually I'll be getting the heated bed for this, so I won't have that nasty thing anymore. On the topic of Warhammer, wait for this though, there's my Transfix and Trigon with a Malok head, because that was the first model I assembled and didn't know any better. I'm sorry. Anyway. Come on, do more degrees. You can do it, little printer. When you don't have video editing software, so you make your own music. Yep, this is gonna be. It's gonna be fun. Come on, printer, don't die on me. There you go. Okay. Where'd it go? I had my paper clip somewhere. There it is. Okay. This is Maker Geek's Nuclear Green PLA filament. Just collect all that. And I'll start laying down the first layer, as long as my printing height isn't off, which it very much is. Well. Alright, well that's gonna conclude this video. I'll get this working here in a second, and we'll do a video over the finished product. I'll see you next time, guys.